made approximately 3 years ago, and finally got it back out, and I thought I'd make a video just to show everybody how I built it. So nothing special, just a 20-inch bicycle. Haven't done anything to it. And it's obviously direct drive, friction drive. It is using a 40cc Tanaka motor that came off of another motorized bike kit, but the clutch was fried, and so I made it friction drive. Now that's some 1/8 inch wall black pipe with a washer welded on the end, and then it is just Loctited and bolted directly to the crankshaft. As you can see with my mounts, I utilized the 4 holes that used to hold the clutch on and cut some brackets out of it, welded them 90 degrees to this built rectangle that used to be for something else, obviously, but now it's utilized for this. I used the classic turnbuckle for pressure, and I welded a nut and bolt down to the bottom of the fork so it had somewhere to stay, and hooked it through a hole drilled in there. As far as the hinge goes, it's a bushing or a piece of tube set to the correct diameter, and then a bolt's passed through it with a nut welded to this bracket here, which is basically just a flat piece of plate with the center cut out of it. So there's room for the hinge to swing, but still support and enough area to weld it to the fork. As you can see there. The throttle is the existing throttle that came with the motorized bike kit originally. This was a centrifugal one that had a small pulley and then a large pulley that attached to the spokes with a serpentine style belt. Now obviously I didn't buy it new, I bought it used, and that was what was left of it. As far as the kill switch goes, it's just a simple rocker switch off of a weed eater with a piece of wire coming down to the original wire coming out of the motor, and that's my kill switch. Seems to go alright. I did score some grooves in it with an angle grinder just to give it a little bit more grip.